Ranking the worst slide fail moments.
Look at that big mud streak. Oh my god.
Why was it so?
Why me?
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.